Hey, Sandra here with First Class RV Adventures, and I'm really excited because today I am going to share Nomad Fest Day 2. So this was Friday, it was the big kickoff happened, the rain was finally, it had stopped, it actually stopped earlier than we thought. The fairgrounds were still muddy, so you will see in the video, Pauhana had to come to the rescue, help pull some people out, and we got to see a hot air balloon. We actually kicked it off with a coffee social in the morning in our zone. Lewis and I were the camp hosts for Zone 2, so that was really fun. We got to know our neighbors, and also we ended up, that kind of turned into a tequila sampling. So later on that afternoon, before the big kickoff of Driving and Vibing and Audrey Callahan music, actually, we had a whole lot of people, and some people came over that were not in our zone, which was totally cool. And we got to sample, not only sample different tequilas, but also learn about them. So shout out to Vincent and Rita for that. Thank you guys, that was amazing. And it actually had us spinning the wheels for next year's Nomad Fest, because that would be super cool to do again. And we ended up the day just having a great time amongst our RV Nomad friends, and it was just a blast. So I hope you enjoy. Let's go check out day 2 of Nomad Fest. All right, so here we are, Friday morning kickoff for Zone 2. We're gonna do some cookies and coffee for our awesome nomads here.
What kind of coffee do you got here? There's a really strong.
So today's a drier day. It stopped raining, but the ground is still soggy and muggy, but we'll make it through.
This is dark and old, and this one is 2 times.
We can always stay a little longer. We don't have a plan. Just let me live a little younger than I really am. We've got nothing here to save us from ourselves. Let's live life like it's made up, jump in the wishing well. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. 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 We are wanderers, we are wanderers, we are wanderers, we are wanderers. We're wanderers.
Cause we got swagger. We got hats, we got mugs, we got decals. We got you got pop sockets. Oh, they're cool. And we have handmade bracelets. Wow, those are pretty. Oh, I always like them.
We can always stay a little longer. We don't have a plan. Just let me live a little younger than I really am. We've got nothing here to save us from ourselves. Let's live life like it's made up. Jump in the wishing well. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us.
I'm going to turn it over to these folks now. So, Audrey Callahan, Shane Snyder, Dennis Bear, welcome to the stage. This is your spotlight.
Hi everyone, how are you doing? Oh my god, I'm so excited to be here. I never could have imagined that when we decided to go full-time RVing about a year and a half ago, that would land me here on this stage with all of you guys about to watch this awesome movie we've all been working on. After this, there's so many people, we're all flying around and we don't often get to really keep in touch and hear each other's stories. So if you feel inspired, I'd love to know why you like being a nomad. So hold your head up and you'll go far. Listen to me when I say needs a house up on the hill when you can have one up for you. Take it anywhere the wind might blow.
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, we're better off tomorrow, but who knows if we get joy or sorrow. Stay true to that fire in your heart and your soul. Don't drench your desire in what you can't control. We fly, try so hard to get there, and we might be lost but not forever. There's things in life you simply need to know, but sun and rain and trust in letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering, before you make it safely to the end, the end.
Don't take freight train down at the station. I don't care where
You're not even close. Don't wish for indifference. You're not one of those. We fall, but we always rise up through it all.
Dennis is amazing, and we all love Dennis's lithium batteries too, y'all. Shout out to Battle Bar. From the Light Travelers and us, we're gonna sing you a song about our home state.
But sun and rain and trust in letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering, before you make it safely to the end, the end. And if you ever wonder, there is nothing wrong with a little thunder. There's things in life you simply need to know.